Why us? Because we care. We love our city and all her sick, morbid, and disturbing secrets. We know them all and want to share them with you. This isn't some gimmicky fake ghost story tour created to take your money. Our native Horrorstorians will educate, entertain, and scare you senseless. So veer off the bright lights and broken bottles of Bourbon Street and take a walk on the wild side. Walk the streets of sin with us, if you dare. P.S. Adults only, so leave the kiddos at home. Wheelchair accessible. Service animals allowed. Public transportation options are available nearby. Transportation options are wheelchair accessible. All areas and surfaces are wheelchair accessible. Suitable for all physical fitness levels. Confirmation will be received at time of booking. Please arrive 30 minutes prior for check-in. Tours depart at scheduled time. Adults only 17 plus. Please plan in advance for Uber, Lyfts, and taxis. We cannot accommodate late arrivals. Intoxicated travelers will not be permitted. This experience requires good weather. If the tour is cancelled due to bad weather, you'll be offered a different date or a full refund. This experience requires a minimum number of travelers. If the tour is cancelled because the minimum is not met, you'll be offered a different date or a full refund. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older, or be accompanied by an adult, to book.